Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. My name is Nihal Ahmad and I live in Ghosi and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the role of technology in education. Before starting my speech, I want to speak streamline in Hindi. बुझी समा भी जल सकती है, तूफानों से कश्ती भी निकल सकती है। कि बुझी समा भी जल सकती है, तूफानों से कश्ती भी निकल सकती है। और यूं ना मायूस होके अपने इरादे बदल, तेरी किस्मत कभी भी बदल सकती है। So firstly, I would like to tell about education. Education is the most important for us because you cannot achieve anything in your life without education. Because education is an important tool for us, bright future, and it helps us to many new and good things. It increases your self-confidence within us, and it brings to awareness to differentiate between right and wrong. So now I would like to tell about the role of technology in education, and it is too much usual for us nowadays because anyone can study at their comfort zone as they can learn from anywhere and anytime with technology-based e-learning process. Students can play, pause and rewatch complex topics using online educational applications until concepts are clear. So, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Before ending my speech, I want to speak streamline in Hindi. सफर की हद है वहाँ तक कि कुछ निशान रहे, चले चलो जहाँ तक कि ये आसमान रहे। इस सफर की हद है वहाँ तक कि कुछ निशान रहे, चले चलो जहाँ तक कि ये आसमान रहे। ये क्या उठाए कदम और आ गई मंजिल, मजा तो सब है कि पैरों में कुछ थकान है। So now I conclude my speech. Thank you for all listening to me. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,